Barbie. This is our little Barbie doll puppy.
Oh. Yeah.
Just a pup. A little red heeler mix. About 3.5 months old. She's going to be a looker. She is a looker. She's going to make an even better looker when she grows up. Oh, yes, red heelers are so beautiful. Look here, little one. Oh, I know. What is that? Is that a toy in your face?
Where did you pass it out?
All puppies have to get used to a leash.
Slowly.